Zelensky's art is notable for its use of allegory and symbolism. He frequently draws upon Russian history and folklore, as well as Christian iconography, to create works that spoke to both personal and collective experience. Many of his paintings, such as The Road to Kryukovo 1980, address themes of national identity, historical memory, and spiritual transcendence. His work also reflected his personal search of meaning in a society that was often hostile to overt expression of religious or metaphysical concerns. Although Zelensky's art did not directly challenge the Soviet regime, it offered a more nuanced and introspective vision of Soviet life, on one that acknowledged the complexities of human existences in a way that socialist realism often did not. In the 1980s and 1990s, Zelensky continued to produce significant work throughout the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 marked a turning point in his career. As Russian society underwent rapid political and cultural changes, Zelensky's art became increasingly focused on spiritual and existential themes. He remained active as a painter and teacher, mentoring a new generation of artists at the Sorvikov Art Institute, where he had become a professor. Dmitry Zelansky passed away on July 29, 2015, Moscow. He left behind a significant body of work that continues to be studied and admired for its technical mastery and depth of expression. His paintings are held in major Russian museums, including the Tretyakov Gallery and the Russian Museum, as well as in private collections around the world. Zelensky's legacy is that of an artist who sought to reconcile the demand of his time with his own personal vision, creating works that resonate with both contemporary and timeless themes. His contribution to Russian art are widely recognized, and his influence can be seen in the work of many younger artists who continue to explore the boundaries of realism today. Zelensky was born on 2nd May 1927 in Sochi, Russia, to an intellectual family. His father, Dmitry, was a forestry scientist, and his mother was a linguist. As a child, Zelensky was surrounded by cultural and intellectual discussion, which helped to shape his worldview and interest in art from an early age. He showed a natural aptitude for drawing and in 1944 moved to Moscow to pursue formal education in the arts. In 1944, Zelensky entered the Moscow Secondary Art School, where he studied under some of the leading Soviet art educators. His teachers, including permanent figures such as Alexander